Hi, welcome to this page of the notes. Here's what we're going to do. We just learned about slope and how you find the slope of a function. Let's go ahead and get some practice. What I've done is I have given you two coordinate points. I want you to calculate the slope if there were a line drawn between those 2 points. Well, we just learned on the previous page that slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we also learned way back on the first page of the notes, order doesn't matter. This can be x1, y1, x2, y2, or you can switch it. x2, y2, x1, y1. It doesn't matter. You're going to get the same number either way. I prefer to make my first point x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's go ahead and do that. That means that I'm going to be plugging in a 5 minus a negative 3. Be careful of your negative signs. y2 is 5. y1 is a negative 3. But it's y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1, which was already negative. So you're going to have a negative of a negative. Just watch your minus signs there. Be very, very careful. On the bottom, x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 is going to be 3 minus 1. Well, here we go. We've got our little phrase from middle school. Add a line, change the sign. 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. 3 minus 1 is going to be 2. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. We have a slope of 4. Positive slope, which means that that line is going to be rising from left to right on the graph. Let's try another one. Here we go. We're going to be doing the exact same thing. We need to find the slope. Slope is rise over run. So we are going to have m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's plug some stuff in. y2, negative 9. y1, positive 11, but I subtract y1, so minus 11. All over x2, 24. Minus a negative 8. Careful, watch your minus signs. And here we go. 9 minus 11, I get negative 20. And 24 minus a minus 8, you'll add the opposite. You should get 32. Now, 20 is not evenly divisible. Negative 20 is not evenly divisible by 32, but you should come out being able to reduce each of those by a factor of 4, and you'll wind up with negative 5/8 as your slope. What that means is that this graph is decreasing from left to right, decreasing slope. Guys, that takes care of all the problems on this page. Hopefully you're very comfortable with calculating slope at this point. Head on over to the next page. We'll try a few more. I'll meet you there.